Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
Yes,
Good morning.
very-
Good morning, sir.
yes,
Good morning, sir.
Priyanka, yes. Study of culture. Previous class, we had enough knowledge regarding meaning, definitions. Mainly, we had know about how to modify culture. Culture is nothing but cultivation of behavior. We can cultivate behavior. We can growth, change, modify culture as our desire. So we are responsible to and modify, adjust, and promote healthier culture. Today we have to start with difference between culture and civilization. Anybody, many people thought about the culture and civilization is same phenomenon, but have many differences. Look at this. First different, culture is smaller than civilization. Civilization is bigger unit than culture. The reason is that many cultures are together form civilization. Second, culture can grow without civilization, but civilization will never grow without elements of culture. The fact is that culture is component of civilization. If culture grow, civilization automatically grow. Third, culture is tangible, intangible, which means visible. For example, material culture we can see, non-material, intangible. Third one, but civilization more tangible is only visible. Four, culture can be transmitted through forms of language. Through language we can transmit it, but civilization cannot be transmitted by language. Next. Five, culture passed on effort. Individual need to behave, do some, and fulfill the needs. But civilization passed without effort. The reason is that if culture is grow, civilization grow automatically. Culture is internal and organic, which means every behavior try to fulfill their internal needs. But civilization only external and mechanical, which means we can see in the human eyes their buildings as well as infrastructure and people code of behavior and people dressing code as well as other kinds of visible factors. So civilization is external one. then culture is not advancing. But civilization only thought about advancing. What are the development? What are the changes and in this society? Mainly external changes. But culture only concerning this behavior. If people behave, try to fulfill their needs and desires, etc. Next section, culture and socialization. We know that socialization, already we had enough knowledge. Look at this, socialization. It's passed by learn to conform group norms. Culture, we know that pattern of behavior. It's a behavior determined by material, non-material factors. Then comparison. Culture is that. Look at this. Culture is having knowledge, but socialization only physical and psychological heritage. Then culture including belief, art, moral, law, custom, other capabilities including non-material, knowledge, as well as language, including materials. Okay? What are the tools we have been using everyday life? Then socialization is the environment, the culture. Look at this. The culture is part of socialization. A good standard culture having enough socialization. But unstandardized culture may cause to the restrictions or hindrance in socialization processes. A person difficult to learn with each other. Then relationship. Culture and socialization interrelated with each other. Culture determine socialization, good culture, good socialization. Socialization influence culture, which means a person having enough socialization can create and enrich healthier and wealthier culture. Yes, the relation between socialization and culture. Next section, transculture of society. Trans means transfer. Its meaning is that cross-cultural society. Culture transfer from one society to another society mutually. Definition. Intending through all human culture, it transcends culture ideals of freedom, embracing all the people of the world, which means a person freedom to adopt the culture from the all over the world. A transfer, change, trans to one culture to another culture. Students, this topic is very important in nursing. Students, this topic is very important in nursing. The transcultural nursing is important in MSc nursing as well as in clinical nursing. The reason is that, look at this. This model of nursing was founded by Madeline Linger, defined. It is a nursing in which the nurse nurse transcends ethnocentricity and practices nursing in other cultural environment. What do you think about ethnocentricity? Is a tendency to our own culture is superior than others' culture, which means ethnocentricity, ethnic tendency. Every individual having this tendency, for example, Indian nurses feel that Indian nursing is superior, Indian culture is superior than other culture, which is a very individual tendency. But in nursing concern, should be transcend that tendency. It should be work other cultural environment. Every nurse learn to work multicultural environment, which is called transcultural nursing. For example, we are Indian nurses, goes to in Gulf countries, their dressing code is different, barda use. So professional as well as in clinical aspect. The patient may be having different culture. We need to concern it. Do not compare with other culture, Indian culture. Transcend culture and idealize it and try to provide these optimum nursing services. Goals of TCNs. Advanced cultural competence for nursing worldwide. Nursing is a global phenomenon. Indian nurses working in all over the world, for example, UK, USA, Australia, Gulf countries. So we need to learn from the student period. To advance substantive knowledge of the discipline. It means advanced knowledge. To develop strategies for advocating social change. Then culturally competent care to promote a sound financial non-profit corporation. Then importance, global health issues. For example, global issue like global warming, climate change, and other issues, for example, as well as pandemic, this COVID-19. The transcultural nursing is very important. Then comparative healthcare delivery, cultural oriented healthcare services. The theoretical basis of care. Students, every nursing theories is emphasize the culture is fundamental for the nursing care. Cultural oriented care. Fourth one, cross-cultural communication. Fifth one, culturally based health and illness. As we had been learned that culture is basis of or causes of diseases. Sixth one, culturally based healing. Culture is a medicine. It's a social medicine. Then cultural health assessment. Nerds should be assessed the culture of the client. Micro sociology, micro culture, which means culture of a particular individual. Then to solve educational issues for the students. 9, organizational cultural competence. 10, to investigating cultural phenomenon. 11, professional roles and attributes. Next, diversity and uniformity of culture. What do you think about diversity? Having different culture, respect each other culture. For example, we are Indians. Within the India we have different culture. For example, in a class, nursing second year, we have different culture, every students. Reason is that we are coming from all part of the society. Somebody urban, somebody rural, different religion, different food habits. But we are different, but we have been maintained uniformity. So that is called diversity in uniformity. We are different, but maintain uniform. So which is micro level. Cultural diversity is different cultures opposed to monoculture. Okay? Increase physical diversity. Students, look here. This is a different culture in the world. Russian, Chinese, English, Chinese, Arabic, French. India mainly maximum English culture due to British rule in India, code of dressing, language, etc. Then important to having cultural diversity. It is important because our country, workplaces, schools, colleges, increasingly consist of various culture, racial and ethnic groups. We can learn from one another, but first we must have level of understanding about each other. In order to facilitate collaboration and cooperation. Then uniformity. Recently, the globalization process, increasing human cultural uniformity. Even laws, political institutions, being support to uniformity across countries. Okay, students, today a lot of disturbances in the network, unstable network. So uniformity, diversity and uniformity, we will be one more discuss in next class. So today we had been learned this. Today important highlights is that the trans culture of nursing. We are Indian nurses, transcend our culture. Don't think about compare or this stick on your own culture or Indian culture. We need to transcend our culture to promote our professionalism and provide cultural oriented care to all over the world. Then questioning time. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.